Now, amidst ongoing murders and criminality in several hotspots across the island, at least one government senator is chastising the opposition People's National Party for voting against an extension of the state of emergency last year. Government Senator Don Webby slammed the opposition as he closed the State of the Nation debate in the upper house on Friday. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
A strident and emotional Don Webby addressed the Senate Friday as he assessed the crime situation in the country. The senator blamed the PNP for not giving the security forces the support they needed.
We are discussing and debating the most important issue in our country of crime. And when the vote comes, it's too heavy over there. Shame, shame, shame.
Senator Webby pointed to divisions even within the PNP's ranks over the use of the SOE as a crime-fighting tool.
I don't often agree with him, but I respect him as one of the most astute politicians. Philip Palmer, sit here. Sit here. This is not me, so you know. You see it on the front page of the Gleaner. Sit here. Paul warns PNP will pay for the SOE vote.
The lawmaker referenced the events of the last 24 hours in which gunmen ran riot in parts of the island. He reasoned that the spate of killings suggests law-abiding residents are not fighting against only wicked men.
There's 11 people that die over there. These people, if that's not an emergency, what is happening to our beautiful country? These people are not normal. They are demons.
Mr. Webby demanded a re-implementation of the SOE as he said the security forces must be given all the resources needed to combat crime and violence.
I've heard colleague senators indicate that persons have died within the boundaries of the SOE. I would submit that the question that we should be asking is how many more people would have died if we didn't have the SOE. Nobody ever said that SOE is a full proof that nobody's going to die. But you know the issue with that now, Mr. President? You know the issue with that now? The sad part about that is we'll never have the answer. If November 25th, 2021 was passed with SOE, we'd never have the answer of how many people's lives we could have saved.
Close to 90 people have been murdered in Jamaica since the start of 2022. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.